Shoot. We are off 5 hours of sleep. Finally, we got some sleep. You got my keys? What's up there, Dippy? Oh, it's a squirrel. Hi, Dipsy. Leave him alone. Come here.
Come on, Mama.
Come on. Bye. Dipsy. All right, well, I have to do a lot of work. I went hiking. I'm really tired. So we're going to just do a quick unboxing for this video. I just got this off a TikTok shop. I got it yesterday. Well, I got home yesterday. You know what I mean. I'm exhausted. I've had 7 lousy hours of sleep in the past 48 hours. Just microphone. What is this? Aux adapter. Bro, who puts aux stuff on this stuff still? Charger, double charger. Fluffies. Clippable camera. Clippable camera. Cool, we'll try that out another day. Instructions. Package number 2. Oh, this is a cool one. Sun visor, cell phone holder. I'm too lazy to cut this open. Whoa. Press the silver button before use. Which silver button? Which is the silver button? Oh. Whatever. So how do we take this off? Let's take this off. Press the silver button. Another sticker. Oh, it didn't come off all the way. Hate that. Whatever. You can tell I'm extremely exhausted. Does this fit the phone? Yeah, sideways. So this is gonna go. Okay, cool. Open that up, open this up. I'll loosen this. Too much. Cool. Goes all the way in. Just making sure it fits that, like it's not broken. Go on the visor. Cool. Oh, this can adjust too. If you want length, short. Okay, this is actually what I'm most stoked for right now. Hold on, put this off there. Trash, 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 trash. Trash. Waited some time for this. Now, I was really upset that I couldn't go because I wasn't 21 yet. So I decided to get a piece of merch in spirit. Whoa, it's... USB 002, USB 2, Fred again, soccer jersey. This is sick. That's gonna be a cool concert piece. All right, peace.